Hello guys, and welcome to the podcast masterclass. So guys, in this particular video tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can be able to perform your Zksync airdrop. So first thing first, before we start anything we are going to do here, the first thing you need to do is to visit bookers.io website. So you visit bookers.io website. This is actually my website. So once you're allowed in this website, you first of all you go to blogs. Okay, so you can see this particular blog post here that I just made today. So this particular blog post is what we are going to start, and this is the first thing you are also going to do, because from here I explained some of the things that we actually need to know before we can be able to proceed in this particular airdrop. Okay, don't mind my background, I'm still in the office, so that's it. So I have to do this before I can be able to go home for the community, you understand? So if you are watching this particular video, kindly do well and subscribe to the channel, share and comment. Also, these things can also help me to keep doing more, you understand? Now let's go. So first of all, what is the Zksync and why are we all doing the airdrop? So first thing, I don't want to take too much of your time in this video, but I just need to explain this because you need to understand this before going to the airdrop. Now, first of all, before we go into the process, Zksync airdrops, let us understand what this Zksync is all about. So what is Zksync? Zksync is a layer 2 scaling solution that is built on top of Ethereum blockchain. It uses what? Zero knowledge proof, all this blah blah blah. So what they are trying to do is that they are trying to build something that is more stronger and more secure than Ethereum, but they are still building these things under Ethereum, on top of Ethereum blockchain. Now, another thing we need to know, why are they doing this? Why are we optimistic enough that these people are actually going to give us airdrop in the long run? The thing is because according to data released by CryptoRank, it has been that Zksync raised a total of 458 million funds. Okay, then this is the second highest funds raised in the crypto space. So that's why we are optimistic enough that Zksync is going to do a job. They have already covered all the funds they need. In building anything that they are going to build. You can actually see that from here. So now, steps to go to perform this Zksync airdrop. First of all, you need what? You need one thing, which is your MetaMask wallet. If you don't have MetaMask wallet, you need Trust wallet, and again you need your PC. But if you don't have PC, you can also do this in your mobile phone. Okay, you can do this in your mobile phone as well. So first of all, these are the steps now, and all the steps we are going to take out in this particular airdrop task contains all this, which is number one is bridge in some funds and bridge it out. Then number two is go to each of the DEXs, make swaps, and number two, add liquidity and remove it, mint NFT, remove funds, again using a bridge. All these things is what we are going to do. So what are they saying here? Well, first of all, okay, for those of you who might be coming for the first time hearing this Zksync airdrop, there are three main stages for Zksync airdrop for you to get qualified. But if you are able if you are able to finish first stage, second stage and third stage, you will still be you will have the higher chance of getting the airdrop. But if you are able to qualify to finish first stage, on second stage, or you can still qualify, or you finish first stage and third stage, you can still qualify as well. But here we have first stage is what Zksync Era Mainnet. Now the second stage is for Zksync Lite. Okay, this one might not work well because of what most of the things we are going to do here has already gone. Is either they have gone testnet or they have moved from testnet to mainnet. What is mainnet? If you don't know mainnet means when a blockchain network has gone live, Okay, and testnet means when the blockchain network are still under testing. That is, people are no longer doing a live transaction on that blockchain, but rather they are still on that chain, but rather they are still interacting using test funds. But in mainnet, you are using what? You are using live fund, that is real money. But in testnet, you are not using real money. Now we have first stage is for Zksync Era Mainnet. Second is for Zksync Lite. Third is for Zksync Testnet. All these things we are going to go through all of this stage one by one in this particular video. So first thing you need to do is, once you have gotten your MetaMask, then all you need to do is just add a, if you are using desktop, please add a Chrome extension, MetaMask, on your Chrome as an extension, okay, like this. So I have added my own. You can see that that this is my own here. So I've actually added my own here. You can see that at the top. So if you add your Chrome extension, your own is also going to appear like this. Now after adding your Chrome extension or adding downloading your app on your mobile phone, the next thing for you to do is for you to visit chainlist.org/Zksync. You can also type, if you are visiting this site, you can type Zksync era.rpc.chainlist. So this is what you will type. So this is what you will type. You can see what I type here. So this is what you will type in your phone: Zksync Era RPC chain list. If you type this in on Google, then after typing this on Google, you are going to arrive to this. You are going to arrive to this particular thing here. This one is for what? Is for mainnet, and this one is for testnet. Why are we doing to add this? Why we are going to add this? Because first thing first, there are different network that we are going to need in this particular airdrop, and the first network is what? Ethereum Mainnet. Second is Zksync Era Mainnet. Third, Zksync Era Testnet, and also the last but not the least is goerli test it network. Goerli test network. So these are the top, the 1 2 3 4. So to add this particular thing, that is what you are going to do here. So all you need to do is just open chain list. When you add like this, you automatically switch and add it automatically on your MetaMask. So I have already added my own. The next thing is you go on the mainnet. This one is for the testnet. You add it. Then after adding it, you go on the mainnet and you add it. After adding, once you add, you see my own is showing me switch because I have not added it, but your own will show you exactly like this: add to MetaMask. Okay, so you click on it, will be added directly to your MetaMask like this. Your own will start showing like this. Okay, your own will start showing like this. Okay, you will have all these things in your adding it like this is more important, is more easy and not that stressful than going here, coming to this place, clicking on network, adding manually and all this. Because if you search for this particular networks here, you are not going to see it. So going to this chain list will help you, will be easy for you to add it directly to your MetaMask. So once that is done, then we are now going to proceed to the first steps on how we are going to start our Zksync airdrop. So the first steps we are going to take right here is for what? Zksync Era Mainnet. We are going to finish the Zksync Era Mainnet tax, and once we are done with this particular tax, then we go to the next tax. So the first tax in Zksync Era Mainnet says that we need to deposit bridge-in funds using what? Using the particular site called bridge.zksync.io. So if you, this thing, when I was uploading this site, I could not be able to to, because I was doing so fast, I was not linking this, and I don't know. So I updated this with my article in my website, and the link is not clickable. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to drop all this link in the description of this video, so you cannot click the description and be able to scale through, or you can actually click on highlight this like this and click here. When you click here, it will directly take you to the site. Okay, so this is it. I've actually added do this. So I'm just going to show you. I've already finished all these things, so I'm just going to show you how to bridge in funds and bridge it out. Okay, so I'll be showing you how to bridge in funds and bridge it out. Now if you are coming here for the first time, it will definitely tell you one thing: for you to connect your wallet. My own is connected already, but your own, you will need to connect your wallet. So this particular thing you are seeing here is my wallet address. You understand? Now here, all we want to do here is, because so before you visit this site, there is one thing you need to do. Before you visit this site, first of all, come to your MetaMask wallet, change from Zksync Era Mainnet to Ethereum Mainnet. Okay, when you change from Ethereum Mainnet, I don't have funds in my wallet. If I have funds in my wallet, I will already do it practically with you, but following me up, you are going to learn how to do it. You see that you can see my history, because I have already done everything, and when I was doing it, I couldn't be able to record it live. Okay, so what you will do is, first of all, change your MetaMask network to Ethereum Mainnet. Once that is done, then good. The next thing you have to do is make sure that this one is Ethereum Mainnet, because what we are trying to do is we are trying to bridge in funds, that is, deposit Ethereum Mainnet and get what? Zksync Era Mainnet funds. And these funds, Zksync Era Mainnet funds, is what we are going to use to interact with the DEXs we have in Zksync. Now you want to, after connecting your wallet, you will just click here, max. Now let me tell you one thing that you also need to know. You need, for starting this, you can use you can still do this with $100. You can still do this with $100. Make sure you deposit like $100 in your MetaMask wallet. And while be depositing these funds here, do not click max, because if you click max, all the money in your Ethereum wallet is going to deposit into Zksync Era Mainnet, and when that has been converted, you are not going to have the gas fee for you to be able to process this transaction, because this transaction will definitely need you to authorize it with a gas fee. So you come in here, if you deposited $100 in your MetaMask wallet, when you come here, make sure that you know the quantity, like 00 point how many, that will be $50. So what you are going to change here is $50. Use $50 and bridge from Ethereum Mainnet to Zksync Era Mainnet. Once that is done, you click on deposit funds. Okay, once you deposit funds, then your Ethereum has been converted to what? Zksync Era Mainnet. Once that is done, we are done with the first step. We are done with the first task. Now if you want to increase your chance, you can deposit in, withdraw, but just do it once. You are done, move to the next one. Now what are the next one we need to do? We also need to go back to our steps. So the next thing says, after bridging in from bridging out, interact with these 3 DEXs. And why are we going to be interacting with these 3 DEXs? We are interacting with these 3 DEXs because these 3 DEXs are being built on Zksync blockchain. So they are trying to let us, they want us to help them test what they have built, and for we to be doing that, this will now assure them that okay, they have built a good product, they have built a good platform. So during these tests that we are doing, they are monitoring to know whether there is something that they did not do well. So if you do this for them. That is why they are going to give you airdrop, because you came here to test what they have built. Now for we to go to the next thing, which is what sync swap. So what we are going to go do here is just to swap our funds. Now remember that our funds is no longer on main Ethereum. Our funds is now on what Zksync Era Mainnet. So for you to go here, you actually just highlight this like this and click go to site. Now when I reach here, you can see that the thing is telling me, because now I am going to, all the things I'm going to do here requires me to use what Zksync Era Mainnet. So my MetaMask will now require me to switch from Ethereum Mainnet to Zksync Era Mainnet. So I'll just click on switch, and once that is done, so what I'm going to do here is for me to swap my Ethereum to what USDC. So what am I going to do? Because I'm currently on trade, I'll just select. I don't have much. So if you come here, listing again, if you come here, do not click 100%. If you click 100%, we are going to use all the Ethereum Zksync Era to deposit here, and when you done that, you are not going to have the fund for you to pay for gas fee. So doing this, just come here and click 50%. When you click 50%, you click on swap from Ethereum to USDC. Once that is done, you have performed a transaction. You can swap back again, you can swap in again, you can swap back again. So once you finish this one, then the next thing we are going to do is for we to go and add liquidity to this particular place. This one, once we are done with this one, they will record it and we are okay. So all you just need to do is click like this, deposit 50% of your Ethereum, swap it to USDC, click on swap, and confirm the transaction in your MetaMask wallet is done. If you are not using desktop, you can actually use your mobile phone to also do this. Okay, so after you have finished this one, you click on this pool for we to go there and add liquidity, because we need to perform some things here, so that when the airdrop, they started doing the airdrop, once we put in our address that we used to perform all these tags, we will actually get the airdrop. So now after performing all these things, you are going to know that you have your MetaMask wallet. So your MetaMask wallet is what you are going to use to claim the airdrop when they start giving airdrop. So what we are going to do here is actually come here to add liquidity. So we are going to choose from, because what we bridge is from Ethereum to USDC. So this is the particular one we'll be adding liquidity to. So once you click on this one, just come here and click on, you can see something here that says deposit. Yes, you can see something here that says deposit. So click on this deposit, then the USDC that you have bridged Ethereum to USDC, just click on max here. Okay, click on max and deposit. Once you deposit this thing, you have added liquidity. Once you add liquidity, come back and check your position. You will see that you have some money here. I have did all these things before, so I'm not going to repeat it again. I'm just showing you. Though if I had my second wallet keys, I'm still looking for my key. If I find my second wallet key, I could have just do, because the more you do, the more you will get. Let's say if you have 10 MetaMask, and you do in that 10 MetaMask, when they are going to give you a drop, if they are giving 1,000 airdrop in each MetaMask address, you are also going to get 10 times of that thing. So after doing this, after adding liquidity, you come here and withdraw it back. Just click on max here. On max, all the liquidity you have added, you can singly please enter the amount and withdraw it out. Once you bridge in and bridge out, add liquidity, everything, you are done with this particular task. Then you move to the next one, which says you move to the next one, and the next DEX is called mute.io. So you're actually going to highlight this again and visit mute.io. So let me be running fast so that we can, this thing will not take time. So this mu.io, the same thing you happens there is going to happen here. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? Kindly select any token, click on max, connect your wallet and enter amount, swap from one to another. Just make some swap, click on swap, click on pool. You can add liquidity as well, add liquidity, do the same thing there, add liquidity and remove it, swap your funds in and out and remove it, and you are done from this one. Once you are completing this one, once you have completed this one, the next thing for you to do is just the same thing we did in the other one. These are all DEX. If you know how to trade on DEX exchanges, you can just do the same thing. You will have your Ethereum here. Once you click on max, you click on max, you send, you swap. If you want to do it, you can do with Ethereum, because what we want to active here is that we want to know, like, we want to add many Ethereum as possible. Okay, we want to add many Ethereum as possible to this particular place, so that we'll be able to get what's the airdrop. Okay, so once you finish this one, the next thing, you go back to the same article that we are using. This article is on my website. You can visit my website for you to see this article. So the next thing is we visit the third DEX, which is called Spacefy. So Spacefy is also another DEX built with on Zksync blockchain. So you can just go visit the site again, visit the site and connect your MetaMask wallet. Once you connect your MetaMask wallet, you deposit in some ETH here, select the Ethereum you want to be. You can use the space, then enter max. Do not enter max always. So you remember what I told you. Make sure that you are remaining some money that you are going to use in paying fee, because all these things you are going to pay fee. So swap this from Ethereum to Spacefy, swap it in and swap it back. Once you are done with that, you come to the pool, add liquidity. After adding liquidity, add the Spacefy liquidity or the Ethereum liquidity and remove it as well. When you add, you remove. When you add, you remove. So all these things you just need to do like that. You can also come here, connect your MetaMask wallet and use this particular one, connect it. Once this one is connected, you can select this one, click next, connect. So while this one is connected, you are done from here. You can come here and also swap. You can bridge in funds, bridge out and bridge in. And this one, once you finish this one, the same steps, you are done. Okay, you are done. You can transfer space token to Planet NFT. Just perform transaction. They just want us to perform some transactions in their applications that are built. So once you finish this one, the next thing you're gonna do, you come back to the same site, and the next place we are going to go to is on Mint Square. So we are going to go on Mint Square and meet NFT before we are done with this particular one. So we're going on Mint Square. Just type mintsquare.io. Visit Mint Square. You can see the website mintsquare.io/Zksync. So come here, connect your wallet. My wallet is already connected to this. Set this to Zksync Era, not Testnet. You can see Starnet, you can see Star Testnet, you can see Zksync Era Testnet, but we are using the mainnet. So click on the mainnet. Make sure that your own is selected on the mainnet. Then come here and click on Mint NFT. Upload any picture on your PC or any picture on your phone. So I'm actually going to upload the banner of this thing. This is the banner of this thing. Give it a name. I can say Ernest Airdrop Zksync Airdrop tutorial. So this can be this can be the name of this NFT. So I can click this again. You can actually put any picture, not necessarily this particular, any picture on your mobile phone. Then you can also put external link if you have anyone, but if you don't have, then that's good. After doing this, don't put anything here. This is actually option. Click on mint. Okay, click on mint and uploaded successfully. So it's uploaded. If I have gas fee, they're actually going to come here and take some gas fee from you. Okay, then I can reject it because I have done this before. So once you've done this one, you are done with the first step, which is what the Zksync Era Mainnet. You have finished this first step on Zksync Era Mainnet. So the next thing we are going to do is for you to go in on a Zksync Lite. So we are going to go on Zksync Lite. So for we to go and bridge out our funds, the next thing we're going to do is we go to orbiter.finance. Okay, now what this place means is that this is actually place we are going to bridge out that our Zksync era funds to what Ethereum Mainnet. Now we want to take out our fund from, you can do three things here. You can take out your fund from Zksync Era Mainnet to what main ETH. That means when you are done on all these things, you can just come here, convert all those Zksync network ETH, convert it back to the Ethereum main coin. But what we are going to do here in this step is we are going to convert this to Zksync Lite, because what we need in this step is Zksync Lite, no longer Zksync Era Mainnet. Now you can see that we have Zksync Era, we have Zksync Era, we have Ethereum, and we have Zksync Lite. So once you reach here, you just select Zksync Lite. Then now before you reach here, you know that your funds is still on Zksync Era, so you put on Zksync Era. Now click max, just click max. Make sure you have some funds ETH on your wallet. And what after clicking max, I don't have funds, that's why my own is like this. But if you have fund, if you click on send, the fund from Zksync Era is going to transfer to what Zksync Lite. Now once this fund is transferred to Zksync Lite, you are done from this one. Then we enter the next stage. We're also going to go to what Zigzag Exchange. First thing you need to do here is what bridging funds and bridging out, which we have done. Go to Zigzag Exchange and do some transaction. Go and meet an NFT on Zksync site directly. Orbiter.finance, bridge out your funds from Zksync Lite to what Ethereum Mainnet. This is very simple. So we are going to go to Zigzag Exchange. We're going to Zigzag Exchange. So Zigzag Exchange Zksync. We're going to visit this Zigzag Exchange. So this is the exchange. It's just like a centralized crypto exchange. I think it's a DEX as well. It's a DEX because you can connect your wallet. So all you're going to come here to do is what you connect your wallet. Connect your wallet from Zksync Era. No, from Zksync. You connect your wallet to from Zksync. You connect your wallet to Zksync Lite. Yeah. Connect your wallet to Zksync Lite. So Zksync Zksync Mainnet, Ethereum Mainnet. Connect your wallet to Ethereum Mainnet. You connect your wallet to Ethereum Mainnet. It is going to actually use the same funds like what Zksync Lite. Okay, so once you are connecting your wallet to that, come here, click on Ethereum, buy this Ethereum coin. Use Ethereum and buy USDC. Once you buy USDC from here, sell it back. After buying, you sell it back as well. So after buying here, you sell it back. You can run it for as long as you can, just to increase your chance of getting the airdrop. Okay, so this Ethereum here is at the live price. This exchange is showing Ethereum at the live price. So it's just like the way you buy coins on exchange. the way you buy coins on Masks exchange, the same thing. So you come here, use market order. For you not to waste time in waiting for limit order, use market order. Click here, send some ETH, confirm the transaction on your wallet, and you are done. Once you've done this one, you are done with this particular step. We move to the next step. Go on Zksync Lite directly and mint an NFT. So first of all, you go and type go to Zksync site, go to zksync.io, zksync.io, and mint an NFT. Okay, zksync.io. So when you come here, you're going to, I think it's Zksync Lite. Yeah. Zksync Lite. Come, or this particular one, check bridging funds. Okay, not this one. We are done with this particular one. So you are going to visit on, this is Zksync Era. Visit zksynclite.io. So I think so Zksync lite.io. So this is Zksync lite.io. Lite.zksync. So this is the place we are going to visit here. So switching. So this particular place, this is Zksync Lite. Connect your MetaMask wallet, connect Ethereum wallet here, or you use Wallet Connect. Click on Wallet Connect. If you are using if you are using Trust Wallet, click on Wallet Connect, scan this code, and you are done. Or click on this one, select MetaMask connected. Then once you are done like this, come here, look for DEX tools, and put this thing on explore Zksync, and the era of dApps. Come here, you can choose any of these dApps and interact with mute.io. These things, I interacted with them the first day I came here. But what we are going to do is come in here to mint an NFT. So just come here to mint an NFT. You know, when this thing started first, I can come here and see the NFT I'm going to mint. That's why I told you that the second step, you might not find, this might not work well, because most of these applications have moved from this Lite to mainnet. Most of them are no longer like they are before. So once you are done, once you are done with this one, go back to Orbital Finance. This is the place you are going to change this Zksync. Come here now, you change to Zksync Lite, because your funds are on Zksync Lite. Then convert it to Ethereum. Do this and your money will be back in Ethereum. Your main money will be back in Ethereum. Then you are done with Zksync real money. So the next thing is that we are going to move to Zksync fake money. That is Zksync, not fake money, but Zksync test money. Now after that, you can still come back to my website again to see. Next thing we are going to do is what? We visit Zksync test token using portal.zksync.io. So we are going to visit portal.zksync.io. Just click on your Google and visit portal.zksync.io. So when we come here, actually everything we are going to do here is what we are not using real funds to do it. So once you reach here, look at the below here. So look below in your website, or look below on your mobile phone. You are going to see Zksync Era Mainnet and Zksync Testnet. So what we are trying to interact with here is Zksync Era Testnet. So connect it back to Zksync Era Testnet. The website is going to change, and you can see that I have some Ethereum test tokens here in my account. So this is what I'm going to use to bridge funds from here. So after that, I'm going to use it to bridge funds from here. So I need to get what gorilla is goerli ETH. Sometimes they call them gorilla, because I don't know how they go talk say goerli. Wait to be goerli. A gorilla ETH they call them now. That's one they easy for me to remember. So the next thing you do is gorilla ETH. So I have low ETH funds, gorilla ETH here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and get funds. To get funds in gorilla ETH, there is a link I'm going to leave also in the description below on how to get funds. To get this fund, first of all, you come on Acclamai to get the funds. Let me go back so that I'll show you guys what I did first. So the site to visit is called gorilla falcels dot so you guys, you are going to go to goerli.com. So goerli.com. I know you are listening to me. Go to goerli.com to select you are not a robot. If you are coming here new, these people are going to give you free ETH. So they want you to log into this particular site called acclamai dot something. So choose your account. Okay, so once you choose your account here, click that you are not a robotic man. After that, come here, go to your MetaMask and copy. Go to your MetaMask, click here, come to your MetaMask, click your MetaMask. Once you click your MetaMask, switch your network to goerli, cancel. So we are now on goerli ETH. Copy this address and go back to this site. Click, paste it here and tell them to send me ETH. Click OK and they are going to send you ETH. So I'm not a robot, send me ETH. You received goerli ETH. Your wallet must have a minimum of 0.9. Please add ETH to your wallet and try again. So I'm going to go back here. To go back and check my wallet to see if I did receive or not. So these people, they did send me on 27th of April, and currently I don't know whether they don't want to send me again or not. So you come here and you get free ETH. When you get free ETH, you have ETH here. Okay, and you connect to Zksync Era Testnet. I'm going to connect my wallet to Testnet, Zksync Era Test. So after I connect my Zksync Era Test, there is something. Okay guys, there is something that you are going to do. Before you do anything here, come here and first of all, for you are going to have goerli ETH on your wallet. So for you to get Zksync Era Testnet, you are going to use that goerli ETH that you got there for free. Click on mass transaction and deposit goerli ETH to what? To deposit it so that you can be able to have Zksync Era Testnet, because what we are going to use is what Zksync Era Testnet to test all the apps that we have. So make sure you do that. I don't know why they are not giving me again. They have given me before, but they don't want to give me again. So I think I have this thing, goerli ETH. You can see I have goerli ETH. So why are they not giving me? Why? Sorry guys. 4.7. So I think when I do this, supposed to go not enough balance to pay transaction fee. The transaction fee is too much, but this thing is not real money, it's fake money. Okay, is goerli ETH is fake. So I need more goerli ETH for me to be able to perform this, but they are not giving me that. So I don't see. So you, for your own, you are starting new, you are going to get this. So once you get that, you know, you bridge from goerli th to Zksync Era Testnet. You will now have Zksync Era Testnet. The next thing is after getting that, then you go to sync swap. You go on all this place, and you use your Zksync. When you go on sync swap, just go to this site. Visit this site again. This is the testnet site. You are on Zksync Era Mainnet, so they are already on mainnet. So we want to go, what we want to interact with, we want to interact with their testnet. So we select testnet here. Fact, you can request for fact token. So if you don't have fact token, retweet this thing on Twitter, and they are going to give you that fact token. That is that fact token that I don't have before. So when you retweet on Twitter, they are going to give you this power token, then you'll be able to use it. And what you are going to do here, the same thing you did on the mainnet. Now this time around is this testnet. Deposit the Ethereum file net that they are going to give you. Make sure you switch your this thing, switch from Zksync Era to Zksync Testnet. Once you are done like that, you are going to have some funds here. Come here. Oh my god, I have enough money here. I think I have enough money here. Okay, let me do this one, your eyes. So click on 50%. Oh my, so swap it. So see, I don't have money here, so I need money here to pay for gas fees. That's why I'm telling you that you need at least, you spend at least not less than $70 to pay for gas fee. So make sure you have Ethereum on your wallet for you to be able to work for gas fee. So if I have Ethereum on my wallet, I'll just click on confirm pay for this gas fee. Okay, after doing that, you come on the pool, you add liquidity. Just so that you are not adding real money. See, the same thing that we did, add for the fake money, add the liquidity and everything. After doing that, not the real money. So these things are just tutorial, guys. Okay, after doing that, you come back to the website again, go to mute.io, switch from mainnet to what, to testnet. Go to Zksync swap, specify, switch from mainnet to testnet. Go to mint square, switch from mainnet to testnet. Go to portal.zksync.io, withdraw bridge ETH back. So those ETH that you put there, withdraw it back to normal test ETH and put it back in your account. Done. And also remember to come back and pay your tithe when you have gotten this airdrop. Okay, so if you have any question on everything that we have did here, kindly drop it in the comment section of this video. And if you are not heartless enough, I want you to subscribe to my channel. And if you are a good person enough, I want you to tell your friends to subscribe to Booker's Masterclass channel. Okay guys, thank you all for watching, and you can always visit my website. You can always visit my website to read about things. I do post a lot of things here, you can see. So this is my website, guys. You can come here and learn trading. So, and again, the last but not the least, I am also going to leave a description in this video, which is the description of MaskEX exchange. This is MaskEX exchange, guys. Make sure you come on MaskEX exchange and trade on MaskEX exchange. This is one of the best exchange that I have found, and when I tell you that something is best, it means that is best. This is where I trade daily, and if you are all my fans who support me from day one, I also want you to come here and trade as well. Click on sign up. I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video. Use my link. My invitation code names is 9AH8UJ. This is my invitation code. Make I zoom out. So so this is 9AH8UJ, Baba. This is 9AH8UJ, 9AH8UJ, 9AH8UJ. Use this and download MaskEX app today. Download MaskEX app and send me a DM or drop in the comment section that you were part of people that downloaded MaskES app. I am going to give you a trading bonus that will get you started in trading industry. So thank you for watching my video. I remain Ernest Bookcast, and currently you are watching Bookcast Masterclass. See you guys in the next one. Okay, peace out, 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 guys. Thank you. Control.